Hi, everybody. This is attorney Chris Marr from Mahopac, New York. This is a legal topic that I pick every few weeks or so and have a brief discussion, give you my insights on certain issues that come across my desk in the course of my practice. Today, I want to talk to you about getting an attorney to handle a personal injury case. I had someone come in my office recently, and she got badly hurt in an accident about 2.5 years ago. And that's important because in the type of accident that she was injured in, you have 3 years to start a lawsuit. That's what most people refer to as a statute of limitations. So she was hurt 2.5 years ago in a local business. And she got herself a lawyer from another state, and the lawyer is not practicing in New York and is not admitted to practice in New York. But she went with this lawyer, and she told me that she had bad feelings about him from the get-go, from the start. But she stayed there, and now she's 2.5 years into this, where she's had extensive medical treatment. And the lawyer's telling her that he can't handle the case because it's in New York. The case would have to be brought in New York. He has not started any lawsuits yet. And that becomes important because, to me, that's a terrible waste of 2.5 years of valuable time that this lady didn't have to waste. And so she comes to my office, and I'm going to have to pick up 2.5 years down the road. I don't know the store that she was in when she got hurt. I don't know what information they have. She's had this other lawyer from out of state dealing with them, and he only recently told her he couldn't handle the case in New York. But it doesn't help her situation. It's a good case because the liability is very good and the damages are extensive. Those are legal terms, but it means that somebody else was at fault in her accident occurring, and her damages means her injuries and the medical treatment and the loss of the enjoyment of life that she's had, and the cost of the medical treatment. So the moral of the story is, if you have a bad feeling, act on it. And there's no rule that says that, people say to me all the time, oh, I couldn't change lawyers. Well, in fact, you can. You're free to do it whenever you want. So she's going to change lawyers now, and we're going to see if we can salvage something in this case. But the first order of business is, and people call me all the time, I got hurt while I was on vacation in South Carolina. Do you know a lawyer I can use? I say, well, if you got hurt in South Carolina, you've got to get a South Carolina personal injury lawyer. It's the same thing with cases in New York. If you get hurt in New York, you got to get a lawyer who can handle the case in New York. So she found out a day late and a dollar short, so to speak, that this lawyer is not that lawyer. And if you find yourself in that situation, call my office at 845-228-5100 or my cell at 914-400-8379. You can call me any hour of the day or night that you want, and we can discuss what I can do for you. Have a good day and have a blessed and happy holiday season.